Movement. All animals show some kind of movements. The ability to move has been used as a criterion to distinguish plants and animals. Does a bird or a snake move in the same way as you do? Each animal has its own way of moving. Walk, run, fly, jump, creep, crawl, slither, and swim. These are only a few ways by which animals move from one place to another. Why are there so many differences in the way that animals move from place to place? Animals have different types of skeletons. The skeletons of some animals do not have bones at all. Therefore, the ways in which they move might be different.